Hi Pisces, kumusta? Welcome back to Pinay Angel Tarot. For today, I have a message for you from our Guardian Angel Tarot deck. Guardian of Action, it's time for you to step up and be the leader. Your natural leadership skills are being called into action. This is your moment in the sun, so move into the light and shine for all to see. This card is also about a person who has charisma, is inspiring, and enjoys a challenge, and loves the spotlight. You're up to something in your career or your job. Enjoy the spotlight, okay? I feel like marami sa inyo ay nasa spotlight ngayon for the middle of July, okay? So now, let's go to our main reading. Okay. For your overall energy, you got Two of Pentacles. Okay, so sa nakikita ko, you're trying to do two things at the same time. Okay, so I feel like yung iba sa inyo may dalawang trabaho, or yung iba inasikaso yung trabaho at naasikaso din yung family. Okay, or there is some struggle here, pero there is also excitement. Okay. So for your recent past, nakikita ko na you're taking a step back from your love connection, and inaalagaan mo sarili mo. Okay? And medyo nag-overthink ka din. Medyo struggle din. Okay? So for some of you, you just left your relationship. Okay? And you're trying to move on. Okay? You're trying to reach this level na magiging masaya ka ulit. Okay? Pero, nakikita ko na medyo mahirap to sa'yo. Okay? Sa recent past mo. Okay. For your current energy, wow. There is happiness in your life, and I can see na some of you are happy with your love connection. Okay? And overall, you're very happy. And I can see that there is this very positive energy in terms of stability. Okay, so this may be a job opportunity or something na nag-i-improve ng stability mo. Okay, and I can see na very positive ang energy mo ngayon with the Knight of Swords. You're taking action. Okay, and I feel like yung action mo is papunta dito sa energy na to, sa stability. Okay, so very positive ng energy mo ngayon. Okay, for some of you, you're exploring with the Knight of Swords energy, or you could be dealing with a Gemini. Okay, all right. So for your near future, wow, I see the energy of someone very spiritual. Okay, or for some of you, you could be dealing with a soulmate connection. Okay? And I see that there is happiness here, pero for some reason, mag-e-end itong cycle na to. Okay? And may bagong cycle na magsisimula. Okay? So, you will be dealing with this person. Okay? So, for some of you, this is a Taurus. Okay? Or any other sign. Some of you may be dealing with children. There is happiness here, pero there is also an ending of a cycle. Okay, so for some, medyo heavy to. Okay, depende sa situation nyo. Alright, pero the good thing is, there's another cycle na magsisimula. Okay. So let's see what message you got from the universe. Wow. I can see na very happy ka and you're very independent at kontento ka. Okay? Whether or not you're in a relationship. And ang focus mo talaga ngayon is yung stability mo. Okay? So I feel like you're working a lot or you're just taking care of yourself. Okay? And sa nakikita ko, some of you are helping another person. Okay? Or baka kayo ang tatanggap ng tulong from another person. Okay? And nakikita ko na may balance sa buhay mo in terms of stability. Okay? And there is a lot of happiness. Okay? With the 9 of Pentacles energy. Parang kontento ka kahit mag-isa ka. Okay? You can take care of yourself. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay? For some of you who are in a committed relationship, you feel very independent. Okay? You can take care of yourself. Okay? Kaya lang, may energy ka din na medyo nag-hold back ka. Okay? Parang ayaw mo i-share kung ano yung na-achieve mo na in terms of stability. Okay? So, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, there is someone in your life na love connection. Okay? Pero parang ayaw nyo i-share kung ano yung mga na-achieve mo na. Kasi, feeling mo mawawala pa kung ano yung pinaghirapan mo pag nag-share ka. Okay? There is fear. I feel like takot ka na baka masaktan ka in the end. Okay? Kaya nag-hold back ka. Okay? Pero the good thing is very independent ka at I see that there is happiness in your life. Okay. So let's get some message for you from the Romance Angels Oracle deck. Oops. So you got heart-to-heart conversations. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. Wow. Heart-to-heart conversations. Past life relationship. You have known each other before. Wow. New love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. Wow. So, para to sa mga single out there. Okay, so that's what I got for you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.